Hello there. Today we're going to explore the wonderful world of Google Sheets and learn how to master it using real-life example. Okay, let's start. Imagine you are in charge of a chain of coffee shops, each with its own manager. These managers track daily sales, customer feedback, and inventory levels. Do you know how all this is done? Don't worry, in this video we are going to learn this all. Our goal is to efficiently collect and analyze this data using Google Sheets. First, we need a central hub to manage all our data. Open a new Google Sheet and name it Coffee Shop Daily Report. Within this file, create sheets for each coffee shop. Coffee Shop 1, Coffee Shop 2, Coffee Shop 3, and Coffee Shop 4. And a master sheet will help us keep everything organized. Next, we'll create individual sheets for each manager to update daily. These sheets will include columns for date, customer name, total sales, customer feedback, and inventory list. We need to share these sheets with our managers so they can update their data. Click on Share, enter the manager's email addresses, and give them editing rights. Now, let's imagine our managers are diligently filling in their data. Watch how they use the drop-downs for customer feedback, making sure everything is neat and standardized. Now, let's add a drop-down menu for customer feedback. Select the column, go to Data Validation, and add options like Excellent, Good, Fair, and Poor. This ensures consistent feedback entries. With data flowing in from all managers, we need to pull it into our master file. Here's where IMPORTRANGE comes in handy. Type IMPORTRANGE, URL of manager sheet name, AEA. To keep track of where the data is coming from, we use an if formula. This formula checks if cell A2 is empty. If it is, it returns a blank space. Otherwise, it returns shop 1. Select the column, press Ctrl-Shift-down arrow to select all, and then Ctrl-D to apply the formula. Repeat these steps for Coffee Shop 2, Coffee Shop 3, and Coffee Shop 4. Now that we've imported data from all the shops, let's merge it into one unified table in our master file. This is where the magic of Google Sheets shines. Use query functions to merge and filter data efficiently. This formula pulls data from all 4 sheets and combines them into one, filtering out any empty rows. With our data merged, it's time to analyze it using pivot tables. Let's create 2 pivot tables, one for shop inventory and another for customer feedback. Select your data range, go to Data, Pivot Table, and start building your table. For inventory, summarize quantities by item. For customer feedback, summarize counts by feedback type. Let's take our analysis a step further with some visual aids. We'll create pie charts and bar graphs to represent our data visually. This makes it easier to grasp trends and insights at a glance. Finally, let's create a dashboard for easy data analysis. In your master file, add a new sheet named Dashboard. Copy your pivot tables and charts here, arranging them neatly for a comprehensive overview. To remove blank spaces in a pivot table, filter out the blanks option from the relevant fields drop-down menu in the pivot table field list. Feel free to make any necessary adjustments to ensure clarity and readability. And there you have it. We've walked through creating a master sheet, sharing data. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your Google Sheets tips in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.